Imagine standing on a quiet hill at sunrise. Golden light everywhere, soft wind in the grass. The whole day feels full of possibility until that small voice inside whispers, "You're not enough. You're not ready." And without realizing it, you believe it. That single quiet mistake is slowly destroying your confidence. Every day you let that voice speak first. You hold back your ideas. You stay silent when you want to speak. You wait for the perfect moment that never arrives. And bit by bit, your inner light starts to fade. But you can change this today. Be gentle with yourself. Speak to yourself the way you would speak to someone you deeply love. Your voice matters. Your timing matters. So start answering that whisper with kindness instead of criticism. Watch how your confidence slowly comes back to life. If this touched you, hit like. Comment, "I'm choosing kindness today." Subscribe. We're gently reminding each other to shine brighter every single day.